Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I made this simple, beautiful and quickie scrunchie. So relax and watch till the end. So guys, as you can see in the video, we have our fabric, we have our safety pin, our elastic, and of course our scissors. Guys, I'm using the Duchess fabric for this scrunchie. So the measurements I'll be needing for this scrunchie is 27 inches length, while the width is 5 inches width. Can you see that? So I'll move ahead by folding it. Mind you, this is the right side while the other is the wrong side. So I'll fold it to the wrong side and pin it. So I'm done pinning. Can you see it? So the next thing I'll do now is to go to my machine and sew it the way I'm demonstrating with my finger. So I'm through sewing. Guys, can you see that? I don't know if you can see the lines. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to flip it to the right side. As you can see me doing so, I'm going to flip it to the right side. And guys, after I was done flipping, this is how it was looking. So I'm going to bring it together, right side facing the right side. But before I do that, can you see the 1/2 and 1/4 of an inch that I left? Can you see that at the both edges I left like about 1/2 and 1/4 of an inch? So I'm going to put it together this way, right side facing the other right side. I'll pin it and go to my machine and sew it. Can you see the way I pinned it round? So I'm going to move ahead to my machine and sew it round the way I've pinned it. So after I was done sewing, can you see it? Can you see the lines? So I'll stretch it. Can you see it? Can you see the opening there? So in that opening, I'm going to put my elastic there with the help of my safety pin. So the elastic I'm working with is 7.5. Can you see that? You can choose to use 7.5, 7, 8 inches, 6 inches, depending on what you want. So here in this tutorial, I'm using 7.5. So I'm pushing my elastic inside with the help of my safety pin. So at this point, I had to use my pin to pin it so it won't go in. At this point, guys, I was pushing my elastic in. So I'll bring it out from that opening. Can you see it? Can you see it? At this point, I will remove my safety pin, my pin, and bring my elastic together and go over to my machine and stitch it. The way I'm demonstrating with my finger, that's the way I'm going to stitch it when I get to my machine. So guys, I'm done stitching. Our scrunchie is almost ready. I'm going to use my hand needle to close that opening there, yes, rather than using my machine because I want it to be very neat. I'm loving the fact it's a girly color. I mean, the red color, so beautiful. Please, if you find this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.